And this last one, this is a company called Cook Smarts?
Yeah, Cook Smarts is a little bit different. So these guys aren't sending you the ingredients, but they do send you recipes, and they give you a menu plan. So the idea here is they're planning your menu in advance, knowing that you're going to be cooking multiple dishes at the same time, and try to have overlapping ingredients to cut down on waste and save you money. So we got jerk chicken thighs here, and tom kha gai, which is a pronunciation I've been working on all week.
So
that's a Thai coconut soup.
Nailed it.
But they're both going to use coconut milk, jalapenos, and limes. So you're not going to end up buying buying a can of coconut milk and throwing half of it out because you didn't use it within a few days.
The dishes look fantastic.
Totally.
I want to invite my friends to enjoy the meals that I made them. I've got dibs on the collard greens and catfish.
Okay, we'll let you have that.
This is appealing though to a lot of people for a lot of different reasons, right?
Yeah, and Cook Smarts especially is interesting because you're doing the grocery shopping yourself. Some people love going to the grocery store, the farmer's market. They want to pick out exactly what is going to go into their food. This is great. We average about $5 a plate with Cook Smart for the grocery cost, and it's $6 to $8 a month for the subscription. So pretty cheap.
A great
And also makes you think outside the box here too.
Yeah, exactly.
You're
Gets
not
you out of
doing
that
the same
cooking
all
rut.
day.
Make sure you're cooking. Okay, everybody's digging in.
We're all
I love
digging.
this.
We
Okay.
like to eat on the show.